Hi, my name is Terrell and my wife Lashondra, and we're going to be doing the location in Bartonville, Texas, Texas 1113. I was in the Army for 23 years, United States Army. Retired as of last year.
Before Dickey's, I am a registered nurse. Currently work for long-term care, and I'm going on this roller coaster with my husband. The food was great, and then once the opportunity presented itself, the business model really aligned with what we are trying to do. So we're really excited about it, and so I like that it's a family-oriented business, and everybody kind of adopts that same feel, and they just want to see each other succeed.
Yeah, I piggyback off that. I like the way that, everyone comes in, everyone just want to make sure that you succeed and you're striving toward that same goal. You have any questions, make sure that, hey, reach out to me. We're here to help you along the way. Don't hesitate to call. We're all in it together make sure that everyone has success together.
Actually here. I like the people here. They have a steady flow of business to show us the different aspects of the operations. And then the people are so friendly, the workers. So it was a really nice experience.
Learning all the behind the scenes, learn operations, then fast forward with the time to get with the customers, you're coming in, you're jumping on the line, you're on the block, you're jumping to that cash register, and all that in combination just made the training really great. And it gives you a good feeling of saying that, hey, once I get to my location, we'll be ready to go.
What I liked about the training was the actual trainer. Todd was very easygoing. He's very knowledgeable about the business itself and how it should run, and he can deliver that while he's teaching us. So that really makes a difference because it gives us that hands-on experience as new owners coming into it, not knowing anything about the restaurant business. Todd was able to walk us through each and every step, bring down different corporate level educators to come and tell us different parts of the business. And so that was like my favorite part. It wasn't like you get here on Monday and we sit down in the classroom and we're done by Wednesday. This has been really very fulfilled days of education and what we need to do to make us successful.
Getting involved in our local community, going to the chamber, being a part of the Chamber of Commerce, getting in line with the local community churches, the schools in the area, making sure that we're supporting everything within that community that we're in, and just making sure that we become the Mr. and Mrs. Dickeys of that community, and make sure that we're there, show them that we're there to provide them, support, and hope we get the same support back for our restaurant as well.
Actually going to the businesses, door knocking, meeting the representation of that business so that they know who we are, putting a face to the name, say, hey, we are new here, and kind of just pushing that out every day.